In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo to your videos in Canva. If you're looking to elevate the branding of your video content, this step-by-step guide will show you how to seamlessly include your logo so your brand is always visible and professional. Let's dive right in. First, open Canva and navigate to the video project where you want to add your logo. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu with several options. Look for the one labeled Uploads. This is where you can bring in custom images or graphics from your computer, and that's exactly what we need for your logo. Click on Uploads, and you'll see a button that says Upload Files. Go ahead and click that. Now browse through your computer and locate the logo file you've prepared. Once you find it, select it for upload. Here's a quick tip. Make sure your logo file is high resolution, preferably a PNG with a transparent background. This helps it look crisp and clean, especially when it's overlaid on your video. Once your logo finishes uploading, you'll see it appear in the Uploads panel. Now it's time to add it to your project. Simply drag your logo from the Upload section and drop it directly onto your video timeline or canvas. Canva will automatically place it on top of your video, ready for you to customize. You'll probably notice that the logo might be a bit too big or too small at first, and that's totally fine. Canva makes resizing super easy. Just click on your logo and you'll see handles around the edges. Click and drag those to adjust the size until it feels just right. The key here is balance. You want your logo to be visible but not overpowering. It should complement your content, not distract from it. Next, let's position the logo. Most creators prefer to place their logo in a corner, typically the bottom right, so it's visible without covering any important visuals. Simply click and drag your logo to your preferred spot. Canva's smart alignment guides will appear automatically to help you snap it into the perfect position. And just like that, your logo is now beautifully added to your video. But before you wrap up, make sure to preview the entire video, play it through to confirm that your logo stays consistent and doesn't interfere with any text or key visuals. When everything looks perfect, you're ready to download or share your branded video directly from Canva. And that's it. With your logo uploaded, resized, and positioned, your video now proudly carries the visual signature of your brand. This small touch goes a long way in making your content look more professional and instantly recognizable. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and practical Canva tips to level up your design skills. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.